Hey everyone, there's this conference in Krakow, Poland called Digital Dragons, and this year myself and my work colleague Christian, we were showing few VFX examples in Niagara that we've been working on. My example is on the left and it's an animated plant which I turned into Vertex animation textures mesh. All the animation states of it are made in Niagara, and I wanted to do everything without touching the blueprints. So I've added a simple logic in scratchpads and effects for each animation state, and I think the recording of this presentation should be available online at some point, and once it's out I will add it to this video description and let you know on various social platforms as well, if you're interested in the breakdowns of those effects. I'll also post some breakdowns on the real-time VFX forum and leave the link to that post in the description in case you might have some questions. Alright, thank you so much for watching.